So hi guys, this is Subhash here, a Biker Baba Vlogs, and you guys are most welcome into my YouTube channel. I'm a Goan YouTuber. So today I'm at a Netravali's place here, inside Noonem village. This is unexplored place. I have been to the Netravali falls here, but the falls is closed. They don't allow us to go inside there. So I try to cover these unexplored places here. This is Noonem village. In this area, I have already covered in my previous episode that these people don't have an internet connection. They said me that even online study is going on now, and it's very hard. Their children have to climb the mountain to get the signal there. They told me about this now. If anybody is watching me from this Netravali area, the authorities, please do help them for bringing a new tower or something like that in this area. Even I don't have signals in my sims. I have a 3 sim card. Not even one sim is working in this area. Please do help them, sir, if any authority is watching me. So now I'm going to the Saudi from that road. You can see that road behind me. From here I'll cross that mountain there and try to show you on the way what comes on the way there. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos. Okay then guys, let's go. So guys, I found this here. This I captured in my previous video there 1 year before, but now it's a floating river. So I'm heading towards this side now. I'll try to show you other side also. They have forest checkpost here. At night it's not allowed to go this side, I think. So this is the area. This is camera gets the moisture here because the weather is different than our place here in this mountain area. So little bit further I found this here. There's a farmhouse here. It's and Mangal village. They have around 2 kilometers inside there. So I'll go here and try to show you. So farming area, I think. So guys, it's 4 o'clock now and the rain is stopped totally, and my camera is getting moisture here because of the temperature. Don't mind for that. And this is what I can see here. You see this? Sorry for the moisture. So this is the place they have. Yeah, I was behind this mountain there in my previous episode. Something called Noonem village there. It's behind that mountain there. I came from the main road here, and this is what they have. All the people are farming here. That's what they do. Even I can see some houses in that area also. Maybe few houses little bit further also. I'll go and try to see there. Okay guys, this is Mangal place here. This place also unexplored place. Even these people told me that they don't have signal because they have to climb the mountain for the studies. The young children, they told me like this. Okay, I'll go a little bit further there and try to show you. Climbing the mountain now. I don't know where it takes me. I'll just go and show you what we can see there. So guys, I'm here now on the mountain. They have mountain village here. It's called Mangal village. Here around 20 to 30 houses they have here. I think on the mountain behind this also they have. Even I'll try to show you here. And this place also they have in that area. I'll go a little bit further down there from that other road there and try to show you from that place also. And they have suparis and coconuts and they do farming in this area. Around 5 to 7 houses at that place. So I'll go a little bit further there and show you what we can see there in this area. So it started raining again now. So even that place also have around 20 houses on the mountain, I think, in this area. Even these people complain that they don't have signals in this area. So even a few houses on that mountain also behind there. Lot of trees here, so I can see everything from this mountain here. Little bit further there I have to climb that other mountain to go to the Kankona area from that side. So I'll go a little bit down there from other side. So guys, I'm down from the mountain there, and this is the beginning from where I've started, and you can see the houses there inside. There are lots of houses here in those trees here. So this, I was on that mountain there. That's the village there on that mountain. So I came down from that place, and this area has a lot of farming place. At that place I was shooting before. From that's the main road, other side of the area there, and this is what they have in this area. Around 50 houses maybe they have in this area. I'll go a little bit further there and try to show you the farming, how they farm here at this place. I'll just use this way. Alright guys, this is the farming area. From that place I have done the shooting. So don't mind for this camera gets some moisture at this place very often because of the temperature, and now it's start raining again. So guys, I will end this video from this place at this Mangal village and start my ride in next episode to the Kankona ride. Hope you like this my unexplored places at this place. So if you like this, please do subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos guys. Okay then, see you in the next episode. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.